It has come to my notice that a lot of people see toners like something that is not necessary in a skincare routine. Do you know that a toner, like a very good toner, can be that game changer that you need in that your skincare routine? Yes, a lot of people will be like, okay, what is even the use or the importance of toner in a skincare routine? So on this video, I'm going to be telling you guys some key importance of toners and what they actually do to your skin and why you should include toners in your skincare routine. And towards the end of this video, I'm also going to be recommending very good toners that you can buy depending on your skin type, your skin concern. And I am filming this video towards the end of 2025. So if you have decided that in 2026 you want to be intentional about self-care, like you want to, step up your skincare game, this is the perfect place for you to be. Please kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel if you're yet to. On this channel, I'm going to be giving you guys back-to-back skincare tips and skincare combos that is going to help you to, step up your skincare game this year and even years to come. Without taking much of your time, let us go straight into it. I know a lot of you have seen a lot of toners out there already. We have toners from different brands. We have toners from the Acwell brand, the tea tree. I have some toners here. Yeah, these are toners. Just in case, for those of you that are not familiar with toners, these are actually toners. I think previously, all these cleansers that we used to use years back, all those baby face brand and the rest, I can't even remember the names anymore. But those were cleansers. Those ones had some harsh ingredients in them. Having a toner in your skincare routine can significantly enhance your skin health and also help to add extra layer of hydration to your skin. Now let's look at the importance of toners, like what toners do in your skincare routine. The first thing that a toner does in your skincare routine is it helps to deep cleanse your skin. Sometimes all those bar soaps or face cleansers that we use to cleanse the face or whatever you use on your face during your shower routine might not help you get rid of all the dirt in your skin, especially in your night routine and especially if you wear makeup or you are oily skin girly. Trust me, double cleansing with a toner in your night routine is going to help you to get rid of all the excess oils and dirt that your face washes or face cleansers or bar soaps that you use on your face couldn't get rid of completely. Secondly, toners help to restore the pH of your skin. During the cleansing process, that's the first step in the skincare routine, which is cleansing. Some of those products tend to disrupt the pH, that's the natural pH of your skin. So toners can help to quickly restore balance of your skin. So once you're done with cleansing your face and then you move into the next step, which is using a toner, it can help to maintain and restore the pH of your skin, because once the pH of your skin is being tampered with, you begin to have issues with your barrier and then you begin to have other skincare related issues that sometimes you wonder where they come from. It might be because of the harsh products or the harsh content that is in your cleanser. So a toner helps to quickly restore the pH of your skin. Another thing that toners help to do is they help to improve the permeability of your skin. Like it helps those other products that you're going to be applying on your skin to absorb easily, so that all the serums, the moisturizers and other things that you're going to be applying on your skin after your toner, they will absorb into the skin and penetrate into the skin so that they will do what they are supposed to do properly. Another good importance of toners is they help to boost hydration, especially if you have a dry skin. Toners help to boost hydration because a lot of toners are formulated with ingredients like hyaluronic acid, glycerin, aloe vera and other ingredients that can help to attract moisture and seal moisture into your skin. Toners can also help to minimize pores, because when you use toners, it ensures that your pores are always clean. It brings out those dirt that are in your pores and ensure that your pores are always clean. Once your pores are always clean, you will not have enlarged pores. Like it's going to drastically minimize the appearance of pores on your face. Another good thing that toners does is Toners also address so many skin concerns. If you're suffering from acne, or you have a dry skin, or you are oily skin girly, there are toners that target every skin concern. Whether you are looking forward to, clear hyperpigmentation, or get rid of your dark spots, or any skin concern at all, there are different toners that address those skin concerns. Now we're going to be talking about the key ingredients that you should look out for based on your skin type or skin concern. Now we're going to be starting with those with oily and acne prone skin. If you have an oily and acne prone skin, you want to look out for toners that contains ingredients like salicylic acid and witch hazel. If you have a dry to sensitive skin, you want to go with toners that are gentle and are alcohol free, and toners that contains soothing botanicals like rose extracts, aloe vera, and other mild ingredients in them, so that they won't end up irritating your skin. If you have a dull skin, like you have a very dull skin, your skin is not shiny, you want to go with toners that contains brightening ingredients in them, like the licorice extract and vitamin C and other very good lightening ingredients. A very good example of a brightening toner for people with dull skin and people that want to brighten their skin is this Acwell toner. Can you guys see this Acwell toner? Like, this toner is odogu. This toner is a very good toner. Like, I've been using this toner for some time now, and trust me, if you want to brighten your skin, this is just the way to go. Try this Acwell toner and you're going to love your skin. There are so many toners out there. Good examples, just like I mentioned earlier, is this Acwell toner. This Acwell toner contains licorice extract. It's going to help to significantly brighten your skin and also help to, balance your skin pH. This toner is very good. Another good example of a very good toner is this tea tree toner. This toner is also very good. If you have a sensitive skin, this is a perfect choice for you. There are other good toners out there, and good examples of toners that we have out there is the COSRX toner. Yeah, you can get this toner. It's very, very good. It's going to help to brighten your skin and hydrate your skin. Another good toner you can try is the tonymoly wonder toner. This toner is very good. It is so hydrating, and it's also going to brighten your skin. Another good toner that you should try is the annual rice milk 70 plus toner. These toners are very good, guys. Just get the one you can afford. Another good example of a toner that you can try is Dr. Rachel niacinamide toner. This toner is very good too, guys. Lastly is the Skin by Zaron toner. This toner is also very good. So guys, incorporate toners in your skincare routine if you really want to step up your skincare game, and you're going to love your skin. Lastly, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can incorporate toners in your skincare routine in order to see good results. Personally, I love to use my toners only in my night routine. I don't use toners in the morning routine. This is the toner I'm currently using, this Acwell toner. This is what I've been using for months now. I alternate sometimes with this tea tree toner. So these are the toners that have been doing the job for me very well. So when you're done with your shower routine, that's the cleansing routine. That's the first step in every skincare routine, right? Once you come out of the shower, the next thing you want to do is to apply your toner. You can use a cotton pad to use it to clean your face, or you can just apply it directly on your face using your hands and allow it to dry. Once it dries off, you can now apply your serums, other moisturizers, and other things that you want to apply in your skincare routine. If you want to be applying your toners in the morning, is still very good, but just like I said earlier, personally I love to use my toners only in my night routine. If you know you are not having any good toner in your skincare routine, trust me, you are missing big. Toners are very good. They are going to help to brighten your skin, hydrate your skin, and also help to, improve your skin health and help to improve your skin barrier. The only thing you need to do is to get the right toner. Get the right toner for your skin concern. Get the right toner for your skin need and for your skin type. Don't just buy toners randomly. Once you have the right toner in your routine, you're going to love your skin. Let me know in the comment section which of the toners you're currently using, or which of these toners that I just mentioned that you guys are going to be trying. And hope this video was helpful. If you made it to this point, thank you so much for watching, guys. And if you're yet to subscribe to my channel, please kindly subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to give this video a very huge thumbs up. See you guys in our next video. Bye.